Hi everyone, I'm Ashley from Small Talk Academy, and together we're going to learn this book called Little Boy. We're going to learn how to do the signs. So join me for our signing story time. It's Little Boy by Allison McGee and one of my favorite illustrators, Peter Reynolds. All right, so there's our first picture. It says, little boy, so much depends on your, I'm gonna move a little closer, your yellow cup. There's the picture there. Oh, so sweet. A serenade to wake you up. There's the picture. So, wake up. Wake up, serenade to wake you up, the sun that slants across the rug, oh, the wings on that astonishing bug. That was a fun one to do. And your big cardboard box. Okay, next page. Little boy, so much depends on a puddle to jump. See how your legs are jumping? Sand to dump. The truck, oh, there you're driving your truck with your steering wheel. The truck down the hall. Here's my finger, sorry. Pencil lines that mark how tall. So you're showing how much the little boy has grown. And your big cardboard box. And there's the picture for that one, sorry. Little boy, there we are. So much depends on a blue mixing bowl. Oh, a ball in the goal. A ball, you show the shape of a ball. The tree, there's the grass, there's your tree. The tree that fell, oh, there they are, so cute. Oh boy, that wet dog, you call your dog, I'm just tapping on my thigh, that wet dog smell, and you guessed it, your big cardboard box. Little boy, so much depends on animal crackers on the couch. There's that picture, there he is. Oh, very cute. A Band-Aid for an ouch, for a hurt. Shoes, there's your S's, shoes that tie. There's the picture there, a little closer. Waving goodbye. There, it looks like someone's leaving. Waving goodbye. And your big cardboard box. He likes his box. Little boy, so much depends on your starship pajamas, so your bed clothes. The story about llamas, there. The story, like you're weaving a story. The story about llamas. Always reading to his dog, how cute. The way you don't worry. It's cool as a cucumber there. The way you won't hurry. So 2 H's and then you kind of run them along. The way you won't hurry. And your big cardboard box. How cute was that? Oh, there's still more. Little boy, you remind me how so much depends on days made of now. How cute was that? There, just a little reminder to be mindful, to live in the present. Great. So that one was called Little Boy. Thanks for joining me. If you're joining me through YouTube, be sure to subscribe and like the video below. See you for some more signing story time. Bye.